Hey, what's up, guys? This is Keyword Surfer, my favorite free keyword research tool. Free being the keyword here because it's not my favorite keyword research tool. It is not the most accurate, but it is free. So this is a Chrome extension. If you have it added to Chrome like I do, you'll see this little button up here where you can turn it on and off. And I have in another tab pulled up a search for rose seeds. So I'm going to show you how you can use this keyword tool, assuming that you are trying to sell rose seeds. And this is just in honor of Valentine's Day, which just passed. And because I have some beautiful roses on my desk that I'm looking at right now. So whenever you click this little button up here for the keyword extension, you can click the button to show in Google search results. So this is a typical Google search results for someone looking to buy rose seeds. So now if I toggle this on, it says show in Google search results. It puts the keyword surfer tool in search results. So the main things that I suggest that you look at are the search volume, which is what I suggest using this for, and then also the keyword ideas on the side. Now there's a lot of other metrics. I'm not going to go into it. I don't want to overwhelm you. This is just a really basic tutorial of this. This is not a full tutorial of everything that you can use this software for, but I'm going to show you the two things that matter the most. So again, it's search volume and then it's these keyword ideas on the side. So I want to give you the caveat that this right here says that in the United States, there's an average estimated monthly search volume of 8,100 searches. That means on average, rose seeds are being searched for over 8,000 times every single month in the United States. Now I can tell you that based on the other tools that I use, which includes the keyword planner from Google itself, as well as some paid tools that we use, which pull their data directly from Google, this is not accurate. So this actually receives about 590 searches per month. That is the more accurate number for this. That being said, search volume is always going to be a little bit of a crapshoot because it's just an average over time. And again, this is a free tool, so you can't expect this to be super accurate. But what this number does do is it shows you how competitive this keyword may or may not be, as well as whether or not it's actually going to bring a pretty good amount of traffic to your site or not. Because if this said 10 searches a month, then you would know that even if that's not a totally accurate number, you would know that it's probably not that competitive of a keyword because not that many people are probably trying to rank for it if it's not going to bring a ton of traffic. So you probably have a better chance at ranking for that keyword if you were to target it in your SEO strategy. So that's how you can still use this number, even though it's not super duper accurate. So that being said, the other thing I recommend that you look at is the keyword ideas on the side here. So this will automatically sort it, or should automatically sort it by the highest search volume and then to the lowest. This has 82 results. So you can toggle it. You can show just a few results, or I like to do 20 per page, and then you can scroll through, or you can just click this volume button here to resort everything so that it shows with the lowest search volume at the top. And this is where I recommend starting, especially if you are doing your own SEO, you're doing it on a budget. I recommend that you start with these low volume keywords. So, maybe taking Amazon out of it, but maybe rose flower seeds images, how to plant climbing rose seeds, which only gets 50 searches per month. Again, may not be accurate, but it does show you that not that many people are looking for it, which means it's probably not that competitive. Probably not that many companies are targeting that. Best place to buy rose seeds for sale, climbing rose seeds for sale. So these are all things that you can target on web pages or blog posts or product pages if you're trying to sell rose seeds. But this is just giving you an idea of what are some things that aren't really that competitive, that if I rank for those things, they're going to bring potential buyers to my website. So maybe only 50 or 70 people per month in the US are searching for those things. But if you're number one and all 50 of those searches are people that come to your website, that's pretty good traffic. You have a better chance at converting that traffic. Plus, SEO is very much like a snowball. So as you start to rank for things, you'll start to rank for more things. So as you start to rank for these low competition, low traffic keywords, Google will start to rank your website for higher competition, higher traffic keywords that will bring in even more traffic. So start low with a low search volume. Once you rank for those things, it becomes a lot easier to rank for the higher search volume keywords. So this is a good free SEO tool that you can use. It's a Chrome extension that goes into your Chrome browser, and it gives you an idea of how competitive certain keywords are based on what they think the search volume is for those keywords, as well as some other keywords you can target that maybe aren't as competitive. So in the next video, I will show you the one that I really recommend you use, which is paid, and the plans start at $27 a year. So it is at least cheap, but it's not free. So if you want to go totally free, this is an option. Again, not super accurate, but it does give you a good place to start. And if you don't mind spending $27 a year, the next video will cover what is my actual favorite SEO keyword research tool that you can use for cheap on your browser.